Everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Sony GTK-XB90 party speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker, not connecting to your Bluetooth or not chaining in the party chaining, or the sound is out of sync or anything like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to set it up again, and that's the second reason you might want to do this. If for whatever reason you just want to delete the pairing history, wipe this clean of all its settings and get it back to the way it was when it was just coming out of the box, we can go ahead and do that really simply on this speaker. All we need to do is, first of all, make sure that our speaker is on, because this will not work if it's not on. And then from there, it's real simple. We're just going to come in, we're going to find the function pairing button and the volume down button and press and hold those two buttons for more than 5 seconds. At which point, after at least 5 seconds, it will go ahead and reset and turn off. At which point you can release the buttons and then come in and turn your speaker back on and set it up as a new speaker.